How to allow or deny usage data access permission on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Apps. After click on Apps, click on this three dot icon and click on Special Access. After click on Special Access, scroll down and search Usage Data Access. You will see Usage Data Access is here. Click on Usage Data Access. So if you want to allow or deny usage data access, if you want to deny usage data access, turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see usage data access is deny. If you want to allow usage data access, turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see usage data access is allow. You will allow or deny usage data access from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can allow or deny usage data access permission on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.